You check your phone first thing in the morning, even before you brush your teeth. You tap Instagram, then TikTok, then back to Instagram, again. But have you ever stopped and asked, why? Why are we so addicted to these tiny glowing screens? It all comes down to one powerful brain chemical, dopamine, your brain's feel-good fuel, and tech companies know exactly how to use it against you. Every like, comment, and ping releases a tiny burst of dopamine. Your brain loves it, so it starts craving more. This is called a dopamine feedback loop. Your brain gets rewarded for checking, so it keeps checking. Apps are engineered for this. Your feed is a slot machine. Over time, your attention span shrinks. Real-world rewards feel boring compared to the fast, flashy dopamine from apps. This leads to fatigue, anxiety, procrastination. You become a dopamine junkie. Keep your phone out of reach, literally. Create friction. That tiny effort breaks the loop. Color triggers dopamine. Grayscale makes your screen boring. That's good. Don't just delete apps. Replace them with real-world dopamine. Move your body, start a hobby, sit with your thoughts. You don't have to quit tech. Just take back control. Your brain was wired for more than scrolling. If this helped, hit subscribe. You deserve your attention back.